down. I came out of the shop fully prepared to do an extensive tutorial. It's 4. Okay, so I've only got like 1 hour. Our friend Bill from District Leather Supply brought me a strap of Tochigi Natural to wet the leather first, right around the... And I only had like an hour before we had to leave. I was trying to rush it. So here's where today's theme comes from. Leathercraft cannot be rushed. Of course, there are gonna be aspects of your process that you're gonna get really good at and you'll probably just be able to fly through it. But if you're in a rush and you're trying to get something done, just don't do it. Just put it off till the next day. I had been running a bunch of errands today and doing emails, and I just really wanted a chance to come in, cut into some leather and work with some of that sweet, sweet Tochigi. I was just in one of those modes where everything was going wrong. I spilled some water onto the natural leather and I kept dropping stuff. I was getting kind of frustrated trying to set up the shot with the camera, and then both batteries that I had charged up kept dying. I was just in one of those modes. Nothing was working right. The belt was coming together terribly, and now I'm out of time. So that's just the way things go sometimes. I'm not gonna lose any sleep over it. I'll come out tomorrow or another day and finish up that belt. We're about to go have some fun at the Eden Balloon Festival. We're gonna be meeting some friends up at the festival. They're gonna have like a little vendor market, some good food. But yeah, I gotta kind of like separate myself from what just happened, and I just need to go have some fun with the family. Leathercraft is something that takes a lot of patience. You gotta be persistent, you gotta be precise. Don't ever get into a project where you're rushing. Just don't do it. Learn from my mistake. Woo! Luckily that doesn't happen very often. I was just in a weird funk, man. Gotta get out of it. Gotta separate from that. Let's go. All right, I got my whole crew with me now. We got Indy Park and Wesley Witt.
What about me?
Oh yeah, I'm the real Witt, the OG Witt. The sun's in your face. You
Yeah,
okay?
it's so bright.
Is it burning your eyes?
Yeah, it's bright. You guys ready to get out?
So, the Eden Balloon Festival is kind of like an iconic event for this town.
But I've never been.
You haven't?
I've never been.
You've
here.
been.
I've never been. You haven't been for 5 years then.
Yeah, I guess that's been that long. In high school, I would come a lot. But anyway, it's a good time. They're gonna do a balloon launch at, what, 6:45? Psych! They didn't actually launch any balloons because it was too windy. Okay, moving on. Keep watching, bye. And we're meeting some friends up here, some of my high school friends. So we're gonna have a good time. Don't you worry, we're gonna have a good time. You wanna see some balloons? Wesley, you wanna see some balloons? Hide, Wes. Hide. Okay, they're gone. They're gone. You're good. You've had that Warren out for a while.
Ready?
Been nervous about you. We got ice cream. Indy, what flavor did you get?
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh?
It's raining over there. What if we get rained on? It might rain on us.
We better go.